Brother Abdul Samad's dream is now a reality.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Few months back ನನ್ನ ಅಬ್ದು ಸಮದ್ ಬೈ ಅವರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿನ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೂ ನಿಂಗೆ ನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂದ ಅಬ್ದು ಸಮದ್ ಬೈ ಅವರು ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು.
Lazeez Juice, known for its natural cookies and milkshakes, has introduced new flavors along with chai and snacks.
They have come up with flavors like tender almond shake, tender saffron shake and tender ice apple shake.
Whether you're hanging out with friends,
Treating your family or taking a much needed break,
then Lazeez Naturals is a great spot with good vibes and great flavors.
so what are you waiting for?
Do visit Lazeez Naturals, located on Monkey Stand Road next to Broad Cafe, Mangalore.